In the name of God, most gracious and most merciful. So, peace to be all. And today we are going to study about the astronomy and how it is represented in the Quran with the letters and with the numbers and with the words. So, we will check each and every step with we will count from the Quran, whole Quran, that word how many times, the frequency of that words appearing into the Quran. So, before going into the further step, we will study the basic information and basic details, so it will help us to understand the whole video. So, actually this is the very amazing miracle, so we hope that you watch the videos till the end. The Wahid is the Arabic word So, Wahid is the Arabic word. The meaning of the Wahid is one. And as the 1400 years before, there were no number system to count, as the number system was discovered recently in the 19th century. So, at the time the people were using the letters as a numbers. So, the system was there in a Hebrews, Greek and other language system where they use the letter as a numbers. So, this system is you can check into the Wikipedia and you can find the Arabic letters and associated numbers at the time the people were using. So, we will take the same the numbers which at the time the 1400 years before, at the time of the Arabic letter were used as a number. So, this Arabic letter, the meaning is at the time 1, alif has a 1 value, ha has a 8 value and da has a 4 value. So, if we add all these numbers, it comes with the one number 19. So, the 19 is a prime number, and so God says that I am the one who created this whole universe, I am the one who created the script Quran, and I am the one who created, means the God is saying that He is the one who created the universe and all the atoms and earth, sun and moon and the structures of the night and day. So, this number has a first and last, so it's alpha and omega. So, it's the first letter and last letter, combination of the first and last letter, as well as this is the prime number which cannot be divided by any numbers, but it can only divide by 1 or by itself. So, it is called a prime number. And 1 means God is the one who created this whole universe and the Quran itself. So, we will now study the further. Every 19 years, sun, moon and earth comes in the one layer, is the one horizon. So, this is the moon and this is the sun. So, in 19 years it come into the one position. And solar calendar means the moon rotates around the earth. So, in the 12 complete rotation, once the moon complete around earth, it called as a lunar calendar, and when earth rotates around the sun, it's called as a solar calendar. So, solar calendar is a 365.24 days, and lunar calendar it completes 354.36 days. So, there are 11 days difference between the lunar and solar calendars approximately. Precisely it says the 10.5 days difference. So, that is the reason there is a leap years and lunar full years and leap years, to exactly to match the difference of this point. Every 4 years there is a leap years in a solar, and every 2 to 3 years there is a leap year into the lunar. So, we calculate that in a 19 years, as per the lunar calendar, how many full years and how many leap years. As we already know that in a solar calendar in a February, it comes after 4 years a leap year comes, but in lunar year it comes between 2 to 3 years period of time, where we have to calculate these numbers to control this number, we have to adjust the 1 days, because the earth and moon, it actually not reach the precisely 365 days. It did not complete the rotation precisely 365 days, but it completes the rotation with some point numbers. So to adjust those numbers, it takes 4 years approximately, as 0.24, as we can see that. If we add 0.24 or approximately say the 0.25, so we have to add 1 year completely. It takes 4 years to complete the 1 numbers. So in a solar calendar, it takes the complete 1 year, full year and leap year comes after the 4 years. It's a very easy calculation, that after the 4 years, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1 leap years arrives. Same thing in a lunar calendar, every 2 to 3 years. So in a lunar calendar, if we say that 19 years in a lunar calendar, how many full year and how many leap years? So there are 12 full years and 7 leap years. So we will see the further that you can even search it into the Google about those details. This is the lunar calendar. So here we can see that exactly in a 354 days, 8 hours, 48 minutes and 34 seconds. So lunar completes it 1 year cycle around the earth, means moon completes the 1 year cycle around the earth in particular 354 to 367 days. So every 2 to 3 years there is a 1 leap year. So in a precisely, you can search into the Google, and as a Chinese people are using the same lunar calendar. So it is called as a Chinese or either the lunar calendar, as they follows the moon as their calendar. So every 3 years, 7 times in 19 years, a leap month is added to the Chinese calendar. And the leap year, as per the solar, it comes around 4 years. But in the Quran, it is emphasizing the lunar calendar. So we will see the miracles based on the lunar calendar. So now we will back to the point that in a 19 years, sun, moon, earth come in the same origin. 1 year earth rotation in its own axis. How many times earth rotates? Once it completes the 1 rotation, it rotates around 365 in its own axis, and it completes the 1 circle around the sun. 1 year sun rotation in its own axis. At the same time, this is a recent discovery that 1400 years before, no one can imagine that sun was rotating in its axis itself. That is just recently we have discovered that sun is also the rotating around its own axis, same like the earth. So when earth completes the 1 rotation of the 365, and itself the earth is rotating around the circle, at the time of one it complete the 1 circle, the same time sun rotates around the particular that time 25 times, it completes the 1 cycle. So we can say that 1 year sun rotation in its own axis 25 times, and the same time the earth rotates 365 times. So what happened actually in a Quran? How many times the days and derivative of days mentioned, we will count. And 19 years the sun, how many times it will rotate in its own axis? So if we multiply 19 into 25, it comes the 475 times the sun rotates. So exactly the ones the sun, moon and earth come into the 1 horizon, at the time sun rotation around its own axis, 19 into 25 equal to 475 times. This is the sun's rotation around its own axis. And in Quran, that 475 times mentioned, plus earth rotation also mentioned, plus how many days also mentioned, plus how many years, the 19 times, the 12 full year and 7 leap year also mentioned 7 times and 12 times. So all kind of this mathematical structure God has mentioned with the letters, and that is a very beautiful design, you can say. It's impossible to create, because who created the universe, who created this solar and all the planets and moving days and night. He only knows that how and what numbers to put and how to put and which and how the beautifully it is designed, that the yawn is Arabic word. We can write Arabic word like this in a particular way. We will see here that yom, you can write the yom in Arabic in such yom. This is the one a day, and yawmin, that means the days. So this is actually the yawm. This is yawmin. And sanat means year. And sanatin as sanin, that is mean the years. So this is the singular words and this is the plural words. So plural words regarding to the years exactly comes at 12 times, which indicates the full year here. Same time leap years, the single words comes into the Quran. If you count the frequency, it comes 7 times. A day means a yom, that exactly comes into the Quran 365 times. A day is yawmin, it comes 30 times. And derivative of days means the time of the word used a day, but not exactly the in this grammar, but it used in another grammar. Apart from the yom and yawmin, it is used at another word. It comes 80 times. So if you add all these three, it comes exactly the 475 times the rotation of the earth, or rotation of the sun. In 19 years, sun rotates around 475 times in its own axis. So this complete beautiful design has mentioned in the Quran with the letters and with that particular word. So we will see the word counting physically from the Quran, and we will verify all the details. So first we will verify the year and the wording, the sanat and saninin, that how many times it comes in the Quran. And we will see the day itself, and how many times the day, as the days counting is longer, as there are more than 400 times the day and the yawmin comes. So we will not go the each and every counting of that, but we will show that in the Quran, that we have put the search and you can see the website, and you can type the word yawm and you can put the go search with the verses. You can find all the word that where it is precisely mentioned for the days. So here the days mentioned with the bil yawma. Here it is mentioned with the yawma. Here it is mentioned with yawma, where the day is mentioned for that particular meanings. Here yawma, here last day, here the day. So these are the words where the day is mentioned. So if we segregate all the derivatives, singular and plural, it precisely comes 365 a single, and plural 30 times, and derivative of the day 80 times. So 365 in a single words yawma, 30 times in yawmin plural, and 80 times with derivatives. Like it is not used as this yawma, but the wording of the Arabic used the different than yawma. So it is called the derivative of the day. So it comes, if you add all these, it comes 475, which is 19 into 25. So that means the sun rotation in 19 years, 475 times, once the moon and earth comes into the one position. We will see here the another way. This is the Quran.com, where you can find the yawma. You can click on the words and it gives the precise meaning of that word. So here the Yawma, same Yawma we have searched over here, and whole Quran, how many times it comes? Around 415 times, and you can divide it from that and you can get the same numbers as we have earlier updated, 365 and 30. So this website you can search each and every meanings of the Arabic letters, and once we click here 285, we have taken from here, this is the verse, we have taken it 285, and from there is a Yawma is mentioned over here, and the same Yawma you can see the meaning of that word. So we'll go with the now the second word, the meaning of the Sanat, year. So this Sanat 7 times mentioned in the Quran plus Sinin. This is all the counting, we will verify it one by one. So we put the Arabic word Sanat here. This is the Arabic word we have used, and we put it into the search option. And again one more confirmation. So in a 40 arba'in, here God says that 40 years, sanat. So this is the word we will count in the Quran how many times it appears. So once we search it, find all the derivatives of the sanat. So there are total 42 entries. Out of the 42 entries, the precisely the 7 time it is mentioned for the years. And this is the website, and this is the word, we will put it into the description. You can search this word and you can find these same details what we are presenting here. So here this sanat word used as a years, you can here, this is the years and here the sanat. This is the first counting years, second counting. So 2 times we have counted it. So 4 and 5, and one more another page. If we go previous page, there are again the same words and same counting. And here again comes with the years. Years, yeah. So this 7 counting and plus the sinin, how many times the word sinin comes? So we put the plural words of the years, sinin here. This is the Arabic word sinin, the same here. It is counted as a years. So this letter comes 12 times exactly. And we will type all the verses where it is related with the years in a description. Sinin here, and these are the years. So total 12 times it appears into the Quran with the plural form. And this is the one of the words where the sinin has used. So we will verify again. This is the verse 1242 where the sinin word has used as a plural form, years. So we'll back to again the same page. So we have verified the year and years, and his singular one and plural form. Precisely 7 and 12 equal to 19 times. So the in a word, in a wording, Quran says the sun rotation in a 19 years. Sun rotates. Once it completes the one rotation, sun rotates 25 times. So in a 19 years, sun's rotation in its own axis 475 times. So 19 years in lunar calendar, there are 12 full years and 7 leap years. We already understand that what are the difference between the full year and leap year. As the lunar calendar 354.3 something, so every 3 years there is a 1 leap year. So as per the 19 years, there will be the 12 full years and 7 leap years. So that 12 and 7 also mentioned in the Quran with the different grammars by using the years of the word Senat, Sanat and Sinin, 7 and 12 times, total 19 times, plus the frequency of the singular word a day 365 and plural 30 times, and derivative of the day 80 times. Again it comes the 475 times, which is the rotation of the sun around its own axis. One, it completes the 19 years when these all earth, moon and sun comes into the one direction. So I think this is a very beautiful design, and it's very interesting to know about the numbers and letters. And if we see in a depth that it is not any human can do this type of structures, as there are the stories, guidance, and how can you adjust the letters and grammars and numbers within those stories and within those guidance. And you have to design at the time of the universe. You have to calculate all these years. We don't think so that the Prophet Muhammad can do by himself all of this calculation and put it into the Quran. And it's of course only the God can do this type of things, and because he is the one who created the universe, so he knows that what are the numbers, and it's impossible to imagine the sun rotation at the time of the 1400 years before. No one can think that sun can rotate 25 times when earth complete the one rotation around the sun. So this type of calculation, and how can the time of precise calculation of the 354.3, once moon complete the 12 times rotation around the earth, it completes the 1 year with the 354.3, and how to calculate the leap years from that. So that 12 years and 7 years, and again it has to be mentioned with that wording of the years. It's impossible. If you go more and more deep, you will find out that this is the design from the Almighty God, who can only make this type of precision in his scriptures, and it's not any human fabric, or not a human can even think about that to do this type of structures. Hope it is very enjoyable, and God willing we will publish the short time after the new videos. So keep subscribing the channel, and we suggest, and we please tell that to share these videos to your group structures. So our main message and our main aim and mission to spread the love and peace, the message of the Quran, actually the love and peace, and the great mathematical structure as well, so the people can read the Quran and understand its message for the humanity, for the love and for the peace.